Let's do it. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy.
Hello beautiful people! Welcome to Celebrity Home. Celebrity mom na si Yasmin Curdy na videohan ang napaka-sweet na moment ng kanyang mga anak na sina Ayesha Zara at baby Raya Laila. Sa latest video nila ay tumutugtog si Ayesha ng ukulele habang kinakantahan ng You Are My Sunshine ang kanyang baby sister. Nakakatuwang mapanood ang ganitong bonding ng mga anak ni Yasmin na lalong nagpapatibay ng kanilang pagiging magkapatid.
Let's do it. You are my sunshine, my only sunshine. You make me happy when skies are gray. You never know, dear, how much I love you. So don't take my sunshine away.
Now somebody, everybody scream! Ayan, yan. Okay. Practice yan, practice. Now somebody, everybody scream! Ayun. Okay, very good.